Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right access and a clean baseline. Open Task Manager now and switch to Performance. Make sure you run Performance Monitor elevated. Close bandwidth-heavy apps so your measurement reflects normal load. Note the exact network interface name shown in Adapters or Task Manager. You will use that label in counters. Once done, record a short baseline reading per minute. This gives you a reference to compare against when you run detailed counters next. Now you collect precise data. In Performance Monitor, add counters under Network Interface, bytes total /sec, bytes sent /sec, and bytes received /sec for your NIC. Create a data collector set, choose a 1-5-second sample interval depending on detail needed, and run it for 1 to 10 minutes to capture traffic patterns. While it runs, open Resource Monitor to see which processes generate that traffic, so you connect numbers to apps. Once complete, save the log for later analysis and convert units if needed. Finish by interpreting your logs and resolving issues. Open the saved Performance Monitor log. Convert bytes per second to megabits per second by multiplying by 8 and dividing by 1,000,000 so you see Mbps. Compare peak values against your ISB plan and baseline to spot anomalies. If one process causes spikes, take action, update drivers, check firewall rules, receipt cables, or restart the network adapter. If no data appears, make sure Performance Monitor ran.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.